Watch out, I spilled an energy drink.
There are ants everywhere. They're gonna go in our house. Sleep in my bed. He sounds angry.
I'm not as strong as I used to be before quarantine.
It's because they're already blown up. You gotta wrestle it.
I wonder if I could take my bike through the car wash. Want water?
Yeah.
I thought you wanted water.
Whoa, these are fancy. Ooh. Oh, what is going on? County.
Where is my heart? You buried it in the yards. The dog could find it if you needed him to. I guess I was smart for giving it to you. How long has it been? Lost track of time again. But it hurts me. A stone throw away from a year and a day, you say. But I've been here the whole time. Just
What is that? Chicken, chicken, chicken. We're gonna take off like a rocket. the wrong road.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Look at these little pair of pants. Someone lost their trousers on the trail. Day 47. Bear Grylls. Had to eat a centipede this morning.
Look at this centipede.
Oh my goodness. Let him out. He wants his family. Oh God. I made him mad. Get him out of here.
Don't you look intense? Favorite styles make me feel dense. Rode the Nile up to my best. Now I don't know if I'm invested. I got nowhere to go, no one to be. Lies on my clothes, lights on the tree. Don't tell me to be myself. I've got no idea what that should mean. It's so quiet, cause I don't like the trends that go by in my mind. They don't stick like they did. I'm so light, 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 so light. Hey, yeah.
Hello.
The horse is gonna be watching over us all night. I remember going in there early before school started and begging him, please let me play the xylophone, please. And he said, no, you have to go through all this training, years of experience. You get the tube.
I thought it was a cool thing. It sounded so cool.
Your daughter was lifting up and putting a tube down, and you thought she was cool.
I know, she was so beautiful. You were the best tube player in the world. And you were keeping up with the beat.